Remember when you needed to smooth out those joists, plane away chips, splinters, and misshapen edges with this WEN 6-amp 3/4-inch electric hand planer, perfect for fixing stubborn doors and fitting wood. This power planer's 6-amp motor delivers over 34,000 cuts per minute to your workpiece, slicing away any irregularities until the surface of your boards is aligned and smooth. With a cutting width of 3/4 inches and a maximum cutting depth of 1/8 inches, you'll have the perfect companion for fitting and squaring boards. The 16 positive stops increase in increments of 1/128 inches anywhere from 0 up to 1/8 inches. The base plate shoe even includes a V-shaped groove for easily flattening sharp post corners. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. Aside from the power planer, this package also includes a dust bag, a rabbeting guide, a kickstand, and a parallel fence bracket. The included rabbeting guide adjusts anywhere from 0 to 7/10 inches to allow for rabbets up to 1 inch deep inside. The parallel fence provides an accurate and straight cut by making sure your strokes are directly parallel to the edge of the wood. The kickstand protects both the blade and the workpiece in between uses by keeping the blade elevated and out of contact from the surface of your project. Finally, the dust bag collects all of your loose shavings to keep your workspace clean and sawdust-free. The bag attaches to both the left or right-hand side of the planer to fit whatever your preference may be. And because this is a WEN product, your 6-amp 3/4-inch electric hand planer comes backed by a 2-year warranty, a friendly customer helpline, and a nationwide network of skilled service technicians. Remember when you had a reliable planer that lasted for years. Remember WEN. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Variety of cutting depths. 16 positive stops increase in increments of 1 and 1/28 inch anywhere from 0 up to 1/8 inch. Number 2. Kickstand for added protection. Kickstand prevents any unintentional blade to workpiece contact during times of rest. Number 3. Reversible dust chute. With a simple flick of the switch, change the directional aim of the sawdust from left to right. Dust bag attaches to either side of the planer. Number 4. 34,000 cuts per minute. The blade drum with 2 double-sided blades rotates at 17,000 RPM to ensure a clean and smooth cut. Blades are reversible and easy to replace. Number 5. 6-amp motor provides up to 34,000 cuts per minute. Number 6. Bake rabbets up to 7/10 inches in size with the included rabbeting guide. Number 7. Lightweight design weighs in at a mere 6 pounds. Motor 120 volts, 60 Hz. Number 8. Includes power planer, dust bag, a kickstand, a parallel fence bracket, and a 2-year warranty, and so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.